Okay, I'm using my Excel spreadsheet and I have an inventory list over here. Okay, so these are the headers and of course the details inside them. But I want to extract certain data. All right, I don't want to see the whole thing. So what can I do? Well, if you want to extract data, a easy way to do this is to use a filter, which you can actually work over here. They are under the sort filter, but you will find that there is actually a filter over here. Okay, this part here. There's a filter over here. Once you set the filter, you will notice that there are these small little arrows out here. Okay, all these small little arrows. Okay. Depending on the type of data. So if this is a text, well, you can choose which one you want to select, right? Or you can further play around with the text. Okay, so let's say equal to does not contain something. But let's say if it's a price, all right, I can do something similar. Like, okay, anything that is greater than let's say 32. Oh, okay. See, it only extract those that are greater than 32. Right. And of course, the symbol change. See that the symbol actually change. Right. Now there is a little filter over here. You don't want this, clear the filter. See, very easy to extract data using filter.